Yes, there are cartels. There was issues the last last season, in terms of the quality of the fertilizer, the distribution of the fertilizer, and I would handle, if approved by this committee and the House, this is one of the areas which I would like to work hands-on to make sure that the farmers are getting the right fertilizer at the right time, and the quality is okay. And the cartels, what happens is that cartels thrive where there is lack of competition and openness. I would make sure that there is openness and the integrity is maintained in the procurement of these inputs. Two is the issue about making sure that I have a governance structure which you guide the way fertilizers are procured, the way they are distributed, by having a multi-agency system which can check on some of these cartels and make sure that any untold thing, especially on quality, like involving KEBS at the beginning, so that we are sure that the fertilizer we are procuring is also in good quality. Being a PA, this one caught me off guard and surprising. For the record, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable members, I've never met the former Honorable Minister for Agriculture. I've never been a PA. I know dealing with cartels is a big issue, and there are many formats and very many forms. But if I am approved by this House and this committee, I'm saying I'm giving a notice on cartels. Notice that they will be out of business. In the fact that my background is that, and one of the principles which I hold very dear is integrity, not to be compromised. And the other principle I hold very dear is having the country's and the farmers' interest first. So I will deal with them. We will do whatever it takes.
Utatembea na nyundo.
I will do whatever it takes, Mr. Speaker, to deal with them, putting systems in place, as I said, governance structures, making sure that I involve all the agencies of the government. I'm sure the government of Kenya is capable of and have agencies which can deal with these cartels, and I will be in the forefront for that.